Let me guess, you searched how to learn AI and you opened YouTube, suddenly you are getting a 6 hours long video on linear algebra. And after 20 minutes, you are like, yeah, I'll start tomorrow. If that sounds similar to you, this video is for you. Because today I'll show you the fastest way how to learn AI without drowning in maths, without watching 100 courses, without questioning your life choices. And yeah, you do not need to become Einstein. Hey, I am Vivek. I work with AI, machine learning and real-world projects. When people say I want to learn AI, they mean very different things. Some people think AI means math. Some people think AI means Python. Some people think AI means ChatGPT writing messages. So let me simplify AI for you. Think of AI like a video game. It has multiple levels. Level 1, using AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, etc. Level 2 is applying the AI. It means solving real-world problems. Level 3, building AI, means training different machine learning models. Level 4 is research, papers, hardcore math, and PhD stuff. If your goal is speed, you start with level 1, move to level 2, and then a little bit of level 3. This might sound obvious, but trust me, most of the people mess up at this point. Before you build AI, you must know how to use AI. If you can't ask good questions, your AI will also give bad response. First, you use ChatGPT or Gemini every single day. Learn how prompts work, how changing instruction changes output, what AI is good at, what AI is bad at. It's very important to work on some mini projects like resume reviewer, PDF document reader. Now comes the scary part. Python and math. Relax, you don't need to suffer. You don't need advanced calculus. You don't need to solve equations which looks like alien languages. Learn these concepts with examples. List, dictionaries, functions, NumPy, pandas, and very basic of object-oriented programming. If you can load data, clean it and send it to a model, you are good. Math is important, but not at the beginning. Learn mean and variance, matrix intuition, and what gradients do conceptually. You don't need to derive formulas. This is where things finally start making sense. If you remember only one thing from this video, learn this. AI will not be learned by watching. It will be learned by building. Build these 3 mini projects. Project 1, regression, house price prediction. Boring? Yes. Useful? Also yes. Project number 2 will be on classification, spam detection or sentiment analysis. Project number 3 will be on image classification. Use a pre-trained model. For every project, load data, clean the data, fit the model or train the model and check for the results and then do improvements on it. Here is where most beginners stop, but you should not. You must learn large language models, embeddings, RAG, retrieval augmented generation, AI agents, and little bit of fine-tuning. Build a chatbot using your own data. Learn how to load PDFs or any other documents, notes, Excel sheets, and scraping website, and then how to load those things into your model. This one project can teach you most of the things which are related to generative AI. Don't start with linear algebra textbooks or 40-hour ML long course. Don't wait to feel ready. You will never be ready. Start today. Here is a simple plan you can screenshot. From day 1 to 5, use AI tools daily. Build small automations. From day 6 to 15, start learning Python basics, ML fundamentals, and start working on your first project. From day 16 to 25, start working on the 2 other more projects. Improve your results. And from day 26 to 30, start working on LLMs and start building real-world AI apps. Follow this honestly and you will be ahead of most of the people. AI is not difficult, it's just badly taught. If you build something every day, if you work on AI every day, you will definitely learn AI. If this video helps you, hit like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.